a flying machine longer than an entire city block, and to guide it into the hangar, it takes an army on the ground.
Check the tape at the next station.
Confirmed. 30-foot spacing.
Watch the tension on those ropes.
We're aligned on station 4. Set her down.
Precision is paramount as the duralumin members are carefully sorted and staged, ready for the keel assembly of the great Zeppelin.
How's the level look, Charlie?
Dead center. Hold her steady while I check the tape.
How is the level at this station? Perfect, sir. Recording the reading now.
Here we see the massive keel beam assembly. Workers meticulously finalize the fasteners and check the joints for burrs before the ring frames are erected. Awaits the ring segments. A testament to modern engineering, the massive ring frame takes shape. Precision is paramount in these crucial early stages of construction.
What's the reading at this point?
35 feet exactly.
Good. The roundness is holding steady.
With the rings erected, the diagonal braces are carefully positioned and bolted into place, ensuring the structural integrity of the Zeppelin's frame. A marvel of engineering, the Zeppelin skeleton grows. Here we see the stringers being fitted, a task requiring precision and coordination. Piece by piece, the giant skeleton takes form, as the massive duralumin rings are guided precisely into position along the keel.
Great. Here we see the meticulous process of framework alignment.
The massive gas cells, carefully folded, are transported to the skeletal frame.
The riggers meticulously attach the suspension lines, ensuring the gas cell is perfectly centered within the framework.
The gas cells, once suspended, are meticulously inspected by the ground crew to ensure perfect spacing and alignment before the outer covering is applied.
Meticulous care is taken with the routing of the internal lines. Hoses and cables are secured neatly along the keel before final inspection at the valve station.
The crew meticulously bolts the engine nacelle mounts. This framework must withstand the rigors of flight testing.
Attaching the massive vertical fin framework requires strength and precision. The crews work tirelessly to secure the girders to the airship's spine.
Having completed her trials in the hangar, the Zeppelin is carefully guided to the mast, where the ground crew secures the great ship against the wind.
The massive Zeppelin undergoes her preliminary engine trials, ensuring structural integrity before the first flight.
Hold the tension on the starboard line. Aye, steady as she goes.
The moment of truth arrives as the great hull performs its first tethered ascent. The ground crew must work in perfect unison.
Every strap must be checked and tied off. The felt pads are essential to prevent chafing against the main structure during flight.
The ground crew executes the final release sequence, ensuring a smooth ascent for the mighty Zeppelin.
The giant rigid airship cruises effortlessly above the patchwork countryside, demonstrating perfect stability.
My goodness, look at the clouds down there.
It is quite breathtaking, isn't it?
Catch the line, quickly now. Heave! Together now, steady on the mast line. Steady on the lines, lads. Bring her in slow.
Aye, pulling taut on the starboard side.
We have the lock engaged.
Heave now, keep her centered. Watch the tail fin clearance. Steady on the rope. Check the play on that hinge.
Just a bit of wiggle. I'll get the grease in there now.
A bit more there. Now give it a swing. All right, men, listen up. Sections 4 through 6 need reinforcement before the next inspection. Use the new scaffolding on the starboard side.
All right, move those carts into Bay 2. Let's get the scaffolding up before noon.
Yes, sir, right away. Keep her steady, lads.
Right side, tension on the starboard ropes.
Slow ahead on the cart.
The mooring coupling must be checked for absolute security before any movement.
Keep those lanes straight, men. Mind the spacing on the starboard side. We need this ready by the hour.
Pulling starboard.
Hold it there. Smooth travel. All right, all clear.
Pull test complete. Secure.
With a gentle hand, the valve is opened, allowing the gas flow to stabilize, a critical step before the flight readiness test.
Release forward. Stand by aft.
Forward clear, sir.
Very good. All engines ahead. Clear the mast.
A testament to engineering, the rigid airship maintains perfect stability during its crucial test flight.
Hold fast, men. Watch your spacing. Steady as she goes.
Hold fast, men. Bring her in slow.
Aye, steady as she goes.
All secure forward.